Aurora, Aguero. 2 points. 2 points.
There you go.
2 points by Grazer. Jason. Pass to Russ. Russ, 2-pointer. 2-pointer is good. 3 minutes remaining.
36.
Easy 2 points by Coach. Easy 2 points by Adidas. 12 minutes. 2 points by Rasta. Nothing but net. Easy 2 points by 3-point attempt. No good. 2-pointer is good by Rasta.
Bang!
3 points by Rasta. 50 seconds. Long 2. Still by Jason. Shot up. Shot flat off. 3 points. 3 points.
Ilan ba kailangan mo? 895 na lang. 250% na sa'yo. Parang nila ko dito. Ano trip? Hindi ka nag-love to balls kanina.
5 minutes and 40 seconds.
Ilan yung Lumaro de la Costa?
Nice
Lumaro
kick.
de la Costa?
15 to shoot.
De la Costa? Lumaro ako.
2 points is good para kay Metro. Good.
Hindi na nga lang
5
matapos.
minutes and 10 seconds. Importante manalo guys.
Hindi nga lang siya
2
matapos.
points is good para kay Peter. Uulitin ko, importante manalo kung gusto nyo mauna maglaro. Wow! 3 points. Esi. 2 points by Rasta.
Next one, boss. Tira, boss.
3-point attempt.
Buwa, pati pag-awi.
Power move by Jason. 2 points by Jason. Long 2. 2 points by Biglang.
Back to back.
Ras. Power move. 2 points by Ras.
Boss,
Pass to San Pedro. 2 points is good para kay San Pedro. Ang isa, Jason. 2 points. Kaya daw ni Jason. 11 lang ang malamangan. Nice pass. 2 points by number 20. 15 to shoot. Nice pass. 2 points by number 20. Jason. 3 points by Jason.
kailangan sulit talaga papawis dito.
Arnold. 2 points by Arnold. Hey, 2 points. Kevin. Easy 2 points by Kevin. Dylan. 3-pointer. 2 points by Dylan. Reverse layup by Kevin. JP! 2 points by JP. By Kevin. Kevin. Back to Thomas. Power move. 2 points by Thomas. Dylan, 2 points is good. Andre is 2 points by Andre. Long 3 points by Dibal. 15 to shoot. 2 points by Thomas. Kevin, easy 2 points by Kevin. Steal by Pudo. Hindi tumatanda si Kuya Pudo. 8 seconds remaining. 2 points. Easy 2 points by Andre. Kevin. Grabe naman yung pasta nun. 2 points by KP. 10 to shoot. Six. Andre. 2 points by Dylan.
Ay, sino ka ba?
Hindi, yung sa takip. Oh, okay, tulad na.
2 points. Another 2 points by Andre. Importante na natin dito kung ayaw nyo mag-antay ng mas matagal. Hey, Kelly, 2 points tayo sa 50 ha. Para makalaro lahat. 2 points by Dylan. Easy layup by Kevin. Matthews. Grabe na pasok pa yun. All 24. Kolos. Sakto Kevin. Kevin, ang gagawin. Kinain. 2 points. Lamang na ang gagawin. Easy to one. 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Kaliwag ka na. Lilipat ba? Lilipat? Grabe naman yung follow-up niyo. 2 points.
Ay!
Wow!